What's up, everybody? Larry Porter here, and we are back once again. And in today's video, we're going to talk about should you use a travel agent versus booking online yourself. So if you're serious about booking vacations and you're trying to figure out is it better to go through a travel agent or book on your own, you do not want to miss this. We'll be right back. So I am back with Majestic Travel. In today's video, we're going to talk about should you use a travel agent. So if you want to book a vacation or all-inclusive vacation or a cruise, whatever the case may be, you online, you're on Priceline or whatever, or you on Expedia and or maybe TripAdvisor, and you try and do all this on your own, try and do it yourself. You can do it yourself too. However, you got to put in the time, put in the research to get the best deal. Now, by doing it on your own, you're going to be limited to suppliers, okay? If you go through Priceline, TripAdvisor, or Expedia, you may find some deals, but you're going to be limited to suppliers, so you might not get the best deal, okay? However, with a travel agent, you won't be limited to suppliers, okay? And plus, you save yourself a ton of headache work and research. Okay, so save yourself some time and money. See, a travel agent, I do recommend using a travel agent because you will get a better deal and better quality vacation. Okay, you get a better quality all-inclusive package most likely, or a better quality booking for your cruise. You probably stay in the top-of-the-line rooms, and you have top-of-the-line travel insurance, because I do recommend travel insurance that's not limited, okay? By booking on your own, you'll be limited to certain travel options when it comes to insurance. But using a travel agent will not only give you the best deal, but also give you the best insurance to ensure that if something happens when you can't make your trip, or your trip is canceled on the vacation's behalf, you would get your refund for everything that you done paid into it. So it'll save you a headache, save you some money, and it'll put you in a position where if you can't make your vacation, you would be covered, okay? Now, like I said, travel agents can get inside deals that you won't have access to, okay? Priceline will only give you so much because they in it to make money. You got to think about it. This is the world is about making money right now. So Priceline will give you so many options, but limited options versus going through a travel agent. A travel agent have a huge database of suppliers that can give you the best rates, okay? Now, Priceline, TripAdvisor, or Expedia, or etc., whatever online booking site you're going through, you will only be limited just to a certain small amount of options. Versus a travel agent, you have more flexibility. And like I said, to save yourself a ton of research time. So yes, go through a travel agent, and a travel agent will have the ability to cater to your needs, okay? Customize the trip the way that you want and satisfy each and every of your needs. So I'm not telling you to go through a travel agent because I'm a travel agent. I'm telling you what I know from travel agent experience. We have a huge database of suppliers that we can book through. Okay, we can find deals that you may not have access to. You will not have access to because you're just an independent customer. So hope you found value from this video, guys. So if you're online, research. If you have the time to research and put the time in booking the deals and have access to suppliers, go for it. But certain suppliers you will not have access to because you need a travel agent number. Okay, you need a travel agency number. You must be affiliated at least with a host agency if you want to get insider deals on certain suppliers. Certain suppliers, you have to be a travel agent to get these deals, okay? So I hope this makes sense. So if you found value from this video, please give us a thumbs up. Make sure that you subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you on the next one. But if you or anybody you know that's serious, thinking about joining the travel industry and becoming a travel agent, to get the best deals, not only on your client's vacation, but your own personal travel, you can get the commission back from your own personal travel. I want you to click that link below, watch a free presentation how you can get started in the travel industry, and you'll be surprised on the deals that you will save on your clients as well as your personal travel. Okay, so click that link, watch that free presentation, and Larry Porter signing off, and happy traveling. Bye-bye.